Baseball was a passion, a borderline obsession. The goal was professional baseball, and every single day was devoted to moving towards achieving that goal. Senior year of high school, I got drafted by the Colorado Rockies, but I decided I was going to go to the University of Washington to pursue baseball alongside academics. Like many of my clients, all it took was one event to change the trajectory of my life. On October 10th, 2002, about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, I had been working at a construction zone. The roofing subcontractor failed to follow a number of safety measures. There was no coneage out, no signage. The roofing material was hanging over the edge. I remember the exact moment that my right foot stepped down onto the roofing material, and instead of there being solid roof, the material completely gave way. Suddenly, there was nothing below me. I knew on the ground in that moment, things were never going to be the same. My perspective on life completely changed, going from a 6'3" scholarship collegiate athlete to a dude in a wheelchair. It changes the way that you see life, and it also changes the way that people see you. I was scared. It's hard to admit that, but it's a scary experience. You don't know what life holds for you. You don't know necessarily what's going to happen the next day. And I can understand how our clients feel when they are first injured and they're caught in this storm of unknown.
Greg was the legal advocate I needed after my motorcycle accident. When we were talking on the phone, he did mention that he himself had been in a similar situation, injured in the past, and how difficult it had been for him. And just listening to him explain that gave me a feeling that he understood what you were going through. He understood the personal feelings, the physical pain and emotional pain that we were going through at the time.
When I needed help, 70 to 80 law firms rejected my case. Colburn Law was born out of the belief that we can do personal injury law better than those firms. As I'm working on clients' cases, I think about each individual client, and I try to put myself back when I was in the wheelchair, needing help, and I think, what would I have wanted if I was this client? What would my needs have been? What would my goals have been? Being able to think about a client's experience in that way does set us apart in our ability to understand and communicate our clients' stories. I want the legacy of Colburn Law to be twofold. Clients to have had an experience where they feel heard and fought for. And I also want our team to feel like they're fighting for something important. You gotta love what you do to do it right. You gotta love it.